Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. This is the third tracker that I made. I made two other ones. This one's a 3-text tracker. You can do 1 up to 3. And after you download it, go to Effects, SDS 3-text tracker. You can drop it right on your media, or you can use an adjustment clip. Either way, we're going to track the middle guy, the far right, and the far left. And to do the tracking, you have to turn the Fusion overlay on. Little arrow here. After you turn it on, you'll see your trackers. If you don't want to use all 3, you can just delete the ones you don't want right here. Now, in the first 2 that I did, I could not get the tracker list to show up other than track 1. I have since then figured that out. And if you have one of the old versions, you might want to go back to the other one, the other tutorials I did, and get the updated version. I redone them so you can see all the trackers now. Grab the first tracker up here. I recommend to turn text 1 off while you're tracking. You can do that right here.
Hey, look, a new subscriber.
Now, if you want to see all of these, it's the same as in Fusion. Select all trackers, and they're all right there. In case you have to mess with the contrast or anything, get a good tracking, and you still have your text 1 here. And if you don't see the text 1 when you close them, make sure you go back to the selected tracker. And there it is. We'll go ahead and track it. Okay, it's done tracking. We can now toggle the Fusion overlay off. That's this button here. Turn track 1 back on. Then go to the text tracker 1, right click, connect to tracker path 1, position. And the text will snap right to the tracking point. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms, that's why it's up there. And to put it in position, if you look farther down in text box 1, it has text 1 reposition, X and Y. I'm going to raise that up a little bit above his head. Then we'll select text 2, we'll turn that one on. And right below it, text tracker 2, right click on it, connect to tracker path 2, position. And it'll snap right in place. And again, go down to text 2, reposition, and you can raise it up. Or down, or left and right. Now turn text 3 on. Right click on the text tracker 3, connect to tracker 3, path, position. And now that one's in place. And again, down at the bottom, text 3, reposition. You can position it anywhere you want.
Hey, look, a new subscriber.
Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.